Here's a very common planing task you'll run into during door repairs. You get an old door, it's got 50 coats of paint on it, and it just doesn't fit anymore. It sticks, it's rubbing, it just seems like the door is too big. So what you'll do is take off the hinges and then plane the hinge side of the door and then reset the hinges. And you use the depth of the hinges as your guide. You know that once the hinge mortises disappear, you have taken off about 1/8 inch of wood. Now, of course, you would be doing this for the whole length of the door. I'm just doing it for a short section to demonstrate. But you run your planer along the whole length of the door and remove about 1/8 inch of material until the hinge mortises have disappeared.
And if you ever have to do this and then reinstall the hinge, the nice thing is that the screw holes are already there. So you know exactly where the hinge goes. Trace your hinge and then cut your new mortise.